First dollop is going in of the onion.
Hey, yeah, made that money on a Monday. Yeah, ratchet bit on a runway.
Welcome back, everyone. It is the Angel Cooking Show. Hey guys, what's up? It is me, Angel, and today I'm gonna be cooking vegan food for my vegan friends. I don't know where they went though. Well, hello there, Angel Moret's channel. My name is Jenna, but you can call me Shmena.
Shmena, my name is Charmaine, and you can call me Shar.
Shar. Technically, I'm the only vegan one. Shar is basically vegetarian, but we all like vegan food.
And we're excited.
These dreads are coming out as soon as I get back from Topanga. So today I'm gonna be making a Japanese curry. Yes, Japanese curry. It is different than Thai curry or Indian curry. It's a little bit, I feel like it's richer and kind of soy saucier. We have a golden curry cube, red bell pepper, potato. We have fresh organic carrots. We have beautiful kale, so green. Another yellow bell pepper, an onion. Jenna just taught me something. If a potato is organic, the peel is nutritious. If it's a non-organic potato, it has tons of pesticides and nasty stuff right absorbed up in there, so do not eat. No pesticide potatoes. Okay, so now let's start. The first thing, carrot wanna fall on me. I decide to cook the curry. I prepped most of the vegetables now. I got my potatoes, I got carrots. I have to do the bell peppers and other stuff, but I want to get the potatoes starting to cook. So first, I'm going to actually cut the onion. I was waiting to cut it because, you know, you're making crime. Get her ready to go. Donkey. First dollop is going in of the onion. Disclaimer, I can cook, but I was honestly getting a little nervous. Oh my god, it was so hot. How did such a thing happen? Why does cooked onion smell so good? So good. You ever see the meme? Okay. Open the door. Alright, shot. Just wait till it cools down. The onions are sauteing. Let's add in some potato and veggies. So the veggies are gonna take a bit to cook. But something that won't hurt and will help is some water to help kind of steam them and soften them up. I'm gonna be adding some filtered with bamboo charcoal water to this. goes to this.
Your face is so funny.
Cooking Angel. You get it? Like cooking mama. We're gonna have a little discussion on veganism, why I'm converting or attempting to convert. I don't want to like be like I'm converting to veganism and then I occasionally might eat a sushi roll here and there because y'all know I love my sushi, but I'm learning to not. I'm learning to not love it. Recently I haven't been liking it. Ever since I went to London and I had some salmon there, I've been turned off of like raw sushi ever since, kind of. But I'd be still trying to eat it because I used to really love it. I tried to eat raw sushi again, got I think mercury poisoning or something because I got so sick. I had a migraine for like 2 days, and after that I really realized like I cannot eat sushi. Like at this point my body's just like I don't want it. So if I don't listen, then you know I'm Japanese. I've been eating sushi since I was born. I think my first word was spicy tuna roll.
I'm ready for my interview.
How long have you been vegan? Why'd you go vegan? 2 questions.
Okay, so I have been vegan for over 4 years now. I went vegan originally for my mental health, but eventually it turned out being for my physical health, the environment, the animals, and most importantly, my spiritual well-being.
What are some misconceptions about veganism that people talk about that you want to clear up, and like what are your experiences with those misconceptions?
Okay, so I feel like one of the biggest things that people who live a vegan lifestyle get a lot is that like we're always trying to convert people to be vegan, or that like we're here to like judge other people's diets and you know just eating habits. Because a lot of times I feel like I'll hear about people like sharing different like problems that they're going through, maybe related to health and their mental or their physical or their spiritual, and I always like, in my experience, you know, just the changes that I've experienced, I'm like, damn, like I feel like if not even that you went vegan, but if you just like incorporated more like fruits and vegetables, you know, just didn't eat so much processed and stuff that's not meant to be in your body, like you don't have to go full vegan, but I feel like just being more conscious of what you're putting into your body, because what you eat is like how you feel,
and how you are what you eat.
Exactly, that's what I was trying to say.
And I could vouch for Jenna because she never made me feel like, oh, you eating that sushi? Girl, no. What else? What are some of your favorite foods to make as a vegan? Like, there's things that people are like, I can never give that up, but Jenna's found her loopholes to them. So
yeah, so I think honestly in this very like day and age in like 2020, I think we're really starting to see that like even like fast food restaurants are starting to have like Beyond Burgers or Impossible Burgers, like you know,
Starbucks does now.
Oh wow, I didn't even know that. Ultimately, because you're not eating the real thing, your body is detoxing just all those like chemicals and additives and just like addictive properties that like, you know, all that stuff sitting in your gut is like craving.
Okay, move, Jenna, they need to think I'm doing it. I'm just kidding.
All the veggies should be in now, nice and soft. I tried. This is actually one of the first things that I really like would make often, and it's also one of the first things that I would like make for people if they came over to my house and you know I wanted to like cook them something for dinner. Any ingredient kind of on its own doesn't really taste that good. It's all about how you season it and how you cook it, you know, and the intention and the love that you put into it.
And if you think about it, I feel like cooking like a chicken is way harder and harder to season.
It takes longer
like,
too.
I don't know, cooking like some broccoli. Like if you think about it, meat is actually harder, but we have a whole bunch of conditioning that
yes.
meat's better, meat's good for you. You need iron, you need to eat blood. I've heard all types of stuff, and that I know it's not
Spinach
true.
has a lot of iron, okay. Do we not remember Popeyes?
Oh yeah.
Dum, 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 dum. I really like to make like a fried chicken alternative, but I don't like to use like a fake meat, if that makes sense. I'll make it out of cauliflower or jackfruit or oyster mushroom. Vegan mac and cheese.
I've never had your mac and cheese.
I gotta make you some.
We gotta do.
Maybe we'll do another
part two,
and we'll do Creole
and converted. But just start making life changes, or at least just becoming aware to them, because that's the first step. But I think it's time. I know that it's something that will make me happy, probably drastically improve my health, and also probably something that you guys like to learn about too, because I feel like that is the, not necessarily, I don't want to say the wave of the future, but we don't really have to eat meat now. Especially if you live in America and you're even watching this, have Wi-Fi to watch this, you probably don't have to eat meat. Unless you're young and your parents make it all the time. But even then, you could be like, Mama, don't get that chicken, I want a cauliflower. I'm sure she would do it.
Facts.
Hopefully. If
And
not,
like,
I'm sorry. Being vegan, if you can say one message to anyone watching who's possibly thought about it, maybe they haven't, maybe they are dealing with feeling tired, having mental health stuff, because I 100% know, like, you got to think, if you're putting dairy and all these little tortured animals, everything inside of you, and it's floating around, your brain chemistry, if you are susceptible to feeling depressed, anxious, any type of mental disorders, it's gonna pop out.
oh my God, Angel, did you put all 3 bags of rice?
Yeah.
Angel, why'd you make so much rice?
You scared me. I thought I said something wrong about the vegans were gonna come after me. If you are susceptible to feeling mental health stuff, which I am, and Jenna has been, or is?
I have. I feel like I have it. I've been in a good space for a few years now, but I used to really struggle with my mental health in the past. So know that there is hope, and I really feel like my diet has played a big part in that. I can like definitely say that.
Fact.
Oh, you were asking about any advice for people who are trying to transition. That's my advice. I say take it slow. You know what I mean? Like, it's so easy for us to be hard on ourselves, and then all of a sudden you want to try like eating all these like raw foods or like, you know, super healthy. Like, your body and your taste buds aren't used to it, so you have to gradually like introduce, you know, these new flavors, these new foods, and it's okay to like take your time.
I think that that's really good advice for someone who maybe, let's say they live with their parents and their parents are making food, so it can be gradually introduced but like stuck with. So I think that's good advice, and I think that our food is done and the chimes is blowing.
Let's dig into this food that Angel made that's vegan and really nutritious. Yeah. Thank you, Angel.
Thank you, Jenna.
Mm.
Char?
It's time for me to eat.
So you can have whatever you like.
I'm so excited. Gratitude. Thank you, Angel.
Of course.
Itadakimasu.
Wow, this is good.
Okay, Angel. Thank you.
And yeah, if you guys want more vegan videos, cooking videos, let me know. If you guys want to see that mac and cheese video with Shmena, let me know as well. Also link to Jenna and Shar stuff in the bio. I'm gonna continue eating this curry, but I'll see y'all next time.
Bye.